Welcome inside one of America's most advanced truck part manufacturing facilities, where strength, steel, and precision come together to build components engineered for the road. Every heavy-duty truck part begins with premium-grade American steel, delivered and inspected for strength and durability. These massive steel sheets are fed into automated systems designed for extreme precision. High-powered laser cutters slice through solid steel with incredible accuracy, creating the foundation of a heavy-duty truck bumper.
Watch the spray, it's wild. Yeah, cutting clean, stand clear. Looks good, let's inspect. Right, powering down.
Freshly cut frames move forward, ready for shaping and reinforcement.
All right, initiating the cycle, stand clear. Pressure holding steady, deformation looks good. Cycle complete, retracting now.
Under thousands of pounds of pressure, steel bends, but never breaks. The shaped parts move seamlessly down the production line. Advanced automation ensures every millimeter meets exact factory standards.
All right, check that edge. Okay, closing the jaws. What's the reading? 25.40 millimeters. Perfect. Good. Next measurement.
This is synchronized industrial precision at work. Robotic welding arms fuse steel together with flawless consistency. Multiple robotic systems operate in perfect harmony. Thousands of sparks fly as strength is permanently sealed into place.
Checking this seam for uniformity. Looks good, clean and even.
Technicians fine-tune settings to guarantee structural integrity.
Arm, pick this next. Good, now load the cart.
Next batch incoming.
Extreme heat prepares the metal for reinforcement. Molten steel flows like liquid fire, strengthening critical sections. As it cools, the metal locks in its strength.
Temperature in zone 2 climbing fast. Levels critical, initiating cool down. Reading stabilizing, monitor closely.
The hardened bumper emerges stronger than before. Rows of reinforced parts await testing. Hydraulic systems simulate years of road impact. Data confirms strength beyond standard requirements.
Approved parts stamped with quality seal. This confirms they meet all required standards.
Scratch and corrosion resistance are carefully examined.
Start on the top edge, check for runs.
Got it, looks clean.
Good. Now the sides.
No scratches, moving down.
Perfect. Next bumper.
Ready.
Carefully packaged for distribution across the United States.
All right, bring the next one in. Easy now, watch the stack. Good luck, next truck.
From raw steel to a fully assembled Ram truck, every part is engineered for strength, safety, and durability.